So to start off our brownie, we're gonna get around 113 grams of unsalted butter, 200 grams of sugar. Prep bowl, we whisk 2 eggs, add half a cup of cocoa powder, then we put tablespoon of bicarbonate soda, half a tablespoon of salt, and a tablespoon of baking powder. So now this is our butter and sugar mix. It just come off the pan. And now we add our cocoa powder, eggs, you know, the other mix. Add it all the way in. Now we got our Cadbury chocolate bar. We just chop it into small pieces. Cut in. Now we add our chocolate to the mix. After we added our chocolate, we add our flour. So basically I had to add a lot more butter because my mix went stiff. I think I added too much flour as I done it by eye. And now the mix is saved. We've saved the brownie. So basically now I've saved my brownie, and now I'm gonna put the brownie in the oven. So to my brownie, I'm gonna add my ganache. I basically melted a bar of Cadbury's with the double cream, and now you just spread it. For my crunch, I basically melted a bar of Cadbury chocolate, and now I put it on top of my cake. So now I've crushed the mini eggs, and this is my finale.